Hey guys, hello and welcome to the EROS Official's YouTube channel. Today we're checking out a new state-of-the-art action camera which promises to be a lot of fun. This is the Insta360 Go 3. While on the looks of it, it might look just like any regular action camera, this thing captures quite a lot of stuff that you can't imagine. You see, the way that this entire device is designed is about to giving you different camera angles and different lifestyle views of what are the different things that are happening all across. On the base of it, you have this shell over here and you have a good touchscreen that controls the device. You can also lift this touchscreen and open it such so that you can see everything that's opening on this side for all of your POV videos that go like that. What's really interesting is the main camera module can be removed and it can be placed, and it has a lot of accessories that can be done. So in order to remove the camera angle, all you've got to do is press and hold on this device, and it's magnetically held, so it needs a little bit of a wiggle room, and you see it comes out. This is what is left of the screen on the main device, and then this is your camera that comes out. Powering this is a 2.7K camera that's over here in extremely compact, light size weight, and it also has an inbuilt battery and a controller system that you can use to control this camera completely independently. You also have this main body over here which wirelessly charges this camera and also doubles up as your screen over here as well. Now with this, there's a lot of functionality that comes into this. Firstly, the device itself is waterproof up to 5 feet, so you can throw this onto the water and you can get all the epic shots that you want. Secondly, with all the accessories that this comes with, it really adds to a lot of versatility that you can get with these shots. Another thing to keep in mind is that the images are extremely real time. So you can see that this camera at the moment, this base unit has no camera. The camera is on my hands, and as I move the camera around, it gets you real-time pictures, real-time videos. You get a live preview, which is a compressed version, and it's pretty accurate. So as I move the camera around, you can see it's pretty much live and it's going all across, and you get everything that's going on over there as well. So this is real-time preview of what the camera is doing. That's a great amount of tech. Now, we spoke about things getting interesting with the attachments that you can do. Like with any action cameras, this action camera does come with a few attachments, and here's where things get very, very different. First off is this section over here, which you get. It has a few different stuff to it, and it has a few different things that makes this very unique. Firstly, this is similar to what you would get on a mount, and you can remove this. This becomes your case. A lot of people would usually mount this onto the cars, and then this also has a suction on the back. Now what this does for is there's a beautiful mechanism, clip mechanism over here. You take the camera, you lock it in place, and now the camera is locked. It's magnetically held, and the camera is now locked. What this does is it gets you a very good POV video because the camera unit itself is so small. You can put this in very hard to reach areas, and the unit itself can be moved depending on your preferences. It completely swivels about a 360 degree over here. So you can move the camera around wherever that you want. You can have different camera angles, you can have different views, and you can also be watching it live on what the screen is doing, and you can control it from here. It's great for people or cyclists that want to take different angle shots but don't worry about losing the camera. And you can see the camera is a very small unit, so it's not going to be lost. Unlocking it is very easy. Click on the button, it unlocks, and then the camera comes out. Now what's more interesting is POV type of videos have been doing really well on YouTube, and Instamax has taken that to the next level. Included into the package and the box is this neck piece right here. I call it a neck piece, that's because it's something that you can wear. What it is it's a magnetic pad, and you have this entire section over here, and if you must have seen a few videos, people are able to place this right over here and create POV videos. How they do that is you have to put this on, and once you put this on, this comes and sits here, and then the back is magnetic, and this is magnetic, a magnetic surface here that you can lock it in place, and it stays that way. This is a very unique idea to create POV shots which are from a chest level, and you can also preview all the shots that you're taking in from this. Want to come and see this camera in person? Come and visit us at the EROS store anywhere in the UAE, and if you want to buy it online, you can do that as well at www.eros.ae.